So David is now doing the meat patties. The meat patties.
Alright guys, let's do stage 2. Might help if I turn that on. That on. That on. That on. How many do you want? 2? One?
Yeah, and 2 each.
So that means I got 3 of these. We'll just do all 4 of them, shall we?
Yeah, might as well.
When this heats up, it'll be sizzle, sizzle, sizzle! Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle! Sizzle like Jody goes. Sizzle, 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 sizzle.